The Ateris Application Transparency Platform, known as ATP, is a revolutionary natural rehosting solution developed with experience and insights earned from more than 25 years in the legacy modernization business. Application understanding and application transformation are delivered in a complete solution that provides an end-to-end strategic roadmap towards cost-effective licenses while retaining the capabilities and investments made in the legacy language. Ateris's history has given us the ability to fully understand many vendors' programming languages at the true binary level, allowing us to interpret and execute the source code natively within our own developer and end-user environment. The ATP solution brings with it a full development platform, enabling application documentation, debugging, dual run mode execution, version control, and enhanced features beyond the original programming language framework. The first step is a conversion of your legacy database to the relational database of your choice. Ateris performs this step as a service using our powerful ATP Convert automation technology. You can convert to SQL Server, Oracle, or DB2. The rehost solution begins with a data load of your applications written in Natural into ATP. All programs, subprograms, mapsets, and subroutines are loaded into ATP so the underlying engine can process the online legacy code without changes in the new ATP environment. ATP enables full access to your existing applications written in the original language syntax. Once the files are loaded, a target is set up in ATP to host the legacy application. A connection to the new relational database is created so that online interaction is performed against the live data. ATP verifies that the relational database structure meets the needs of the legacy source code. From the user's perspective, this migration is seamless. They see the application as they always have, and it is accessed in the same way, regardless of whether that is a desktop link, a terminal server connection, or simply logging into your existing system. The same keystrokes are used to access menu options, the screens appear in the same manner, and the data is updated as the user changes it. There is no end-user training required. ATP is licensed for concurrent users, so purchase as many user licenses as you need. Developers continue to program in the legacy language syntax, but now have a more robust development environment. Debugging an application becomes easier with full code stepping ability. The debug window displays the code that is being accessed at the current moment in the map. The variables present in the system are listed on the right. The code can be stepped through to determine where and why an issue is occurring, and breakpoints can be set to stop the program flow. Version control is performed by using a checkout and check-in feature. An object can only be checked out by one user at a time. Maps can be checked out for editing using point-and-click mouse features within the workbench. Objects can be moved by selecting and dragging with the mouse. The map source is automatically generated in the background. Programs can also be checked out for editing within the ATP workbench. Simply open the program and use the Checkout button. The same program can be viewed in the Object Browser, providing access to powerful features including the Enterprise Explorer and Object Flowchart. The Enterprise Explorer provides a visual display of the relationship between the current object and other objects in the system. The Object Flowchart displays the flow of the program. This provides complete application transparency to the developer. Once moved into the ATP environment, you can continue functioning within the legacy framework or begin to plan a modernization at your own pace using Ateris's Eve RPM tool. This is a revolutionary path for legacy mainframe customers since risk is mitigated and project timelines are extremely short. There is no impact to the end-user community. The return on investment is measured in days and weeks versus months and years. This innovative new approach reduces license costs fast. The Ateris Application Transparency Platform was developed for companies desiring to quickly rehost their natural environment and advance to a true relational database while preserving the familiar, powerful programming environment their developers require. ATP, the best of all worlds.